How to apply a promo code at checkout in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm Susti. Today without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your cart at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on View Cart. Here, at the bottom, click on Go to Checkout. After that, click on Add Voucher Code. Here, add your code. As it is written, enter the code in order to claim and use your voucher. Simply add your promo code in here and press on Continue at the bottom. After it verifies it, it will discount as it's given in your code, and simply click on Add Payment Method and order your food. This is how to apply a promo code at checkout in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.